Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to take a battery out of an Intruder 1400. This bike, it's a S83 Boulevard, same thing. It also applies to 800 or 750 Intruder. So let's get to it. On this motorcycle, the battery is located unusual place. It's under the swing arm here. This bike have this plastic cover missing that's supposed to be here. But first we're gonna start by removing this plastic cover. Imagine that's here. So what would you do? Would take a screw off on each side that it's right here, and then plastic cover that covers this battery will come right off. Here you can see the battery from the left side, from the other side of the motorcycle. Same thing. Here's the little screw that would be there for the cover. Once the cover is removed, you're gonna remove the battery lead. Start on the left side because that's where the positive lead is. Of course, here you want to be sure not to touch the ground while you're touching the positive lead on the battery. It'll create a short. So see, just like this, you put that lead out of the way. And here we are again on the right side of the motorcycle. Same thing. I'll remove the lead, screw, just move the wire aside. There's also a spacer. It's on each side, just a little spacer to when you're putting the lead on, so it allows that lead to sit flat and not bind against the battery of the battery. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna move all the way down under the exhaust, and over here you're gonna see a 10mm screw on each side. This is not a factory screw. It's not gonna have this Phillips in the middle, but regardless, it's gonna be 10mm screw that will allow to drop this door down. So again, one of these on each side. So when you take the first one out, you don't have to worry about it. And anything, when you take the second one out, you want to put a hand underneath here to keep the door from falling down on its own. Now I will be taking the screw off on the other side while holding this door. And as the door opens, I try to keep that battery from just hitting the ground hard. And as you can see, the battery comes down and you can slide it off. So here you can see the battery off. Here's the door that I was telling you about. So the battery just drops down this direction, and there's enough clearance if you have a stock shocks. If the bike is lowered, you're gonna have to get it up in the air, put it on a 2x4 or something. These batteries are unique, so when you're buying a battery for any Intruder, it's gonna have to be specific for that bike. You can't make other battery work because of the design of the screws here. Normally the screws don't go this direction, they either go up or this way. So this battery has these posts oriented differently than your normal batteries. So this is the spacer I was talking about. You have to have it there so the wire will clear this straight. If you don't have it there, the wire will be binding here. So make sure you put it there, because if you don't have it there, your battery will either this is gonna get damaged or the lead's gonna come loose because you can't really tighten it right. So now putting this battery back, it's exact reverse. So we're just gonna slide this in. You can pick the battery up, close this door, next our negative lead. Make sure you do the negative lead first. What I do, I put that spacer on first. Last thing to do is our positive lead. Be careful when you close to the battery not to touch the ground. So this is it. Job's done. It was not too hard. Thank you so much for watching. All you're gonna need is a Phillips head and a 10mm. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.